All right, the warehouse full. And me a pack out all of you, so. There, so. Round, let me see what around there. You don't have to tell me what around there. I know what around there. Yeah, 95 inches me I work with. A mini packer and me I mash it up. You don't worry about that. Me know all around this. 95 inch me I fit the whole of them freight here. One pallet. All right, me I mash you up today. Today me I gonna mash you up.
This can't work.
All right.
No.
Don't worry about that. You don't worry about that. A medium packer. Yeah. One jerk. See all of them freight there. One jerk. 95 inches. You can match it up. You can match it in a week. Tell me whatever you want. Tell me. Me I best at this. Watch me. Alright, we are licky Tetris. We are come. I'll tell you something. You come a while ago. You start to see the vision. When it comes to packing, yeah, Kevin walk on water. Simple. I'm not here every day, but when it comes to packing, Bucky's in the warehouse every day. I am not. But when it comes to packing, I'm a genius. Savant, walk on water, medium packer. Watch out, I'm gonna show him. Just tell me that it cannot be done and see what I do. See that? In this warehouse, I am the Messiah. I walk on water. Come and witness this for yourself. Room to spare per 96 inches. Huh? Come and see it for yourself. I'm giving lessons, driving the school bus, taking them to school. Taking them to school. That's right. Him no want none in run, he no want to come measure it. Here we go. A drum. 94.5. That's right. Killed him. Hell no, can't be done. Yeah, I am the savant. All right, so the finished product here. Top all wrapped up. Road. Nothing but road. I will lay waste to any man, woman, or child. Whoever challenged me in this warehouse, running up on me. It's like running up on Jordan, the goat. You shall be punished. That's a video. You feel to be so embarrassed. Huh? Yeah, you run up on the goat. Don't ever run up on the goat. I am the goat. Let me have my moment. Let me shine. Give me my moment.